this is my idea for an emergency outfeed table. I don't have one, and I needed one to rip some lumber, and so this is what I'm doing over here. If you got a couple sawhorses and some scraps of four, and you just stack together as many as you need. And you can use one buys in here if you need to get that last little bit. And take your sawhorses and stack them up. And I can go ahead and rip some of this lumber without having to worry about it falling here. Emergency outfeed table.